How to fix Opera Captcha not showing up. Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. Today I'll show you what to do if the Captcha feature isn't showing up in Opera browser. First, you need to have it installed, so restart your browser. If that does not work, here are two main things that you can try. First, click on the Opera icon in the top left corner and go to Settings. Now in the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security on the left. Then find Cookies and Other Site Data and click on it. Now in the general settings, make sure you allow all cookies and the option is selected. Second, click on the Opera icon again and go to Extensions. Then click on Extensions again. This will display a list of all of your current extensions. Disable each extension by clicking the Disable button or the switch next to each one. Do this for all of your extensions. After you have allowed all cookies and disabled all extensions, the Captcha feature should be working. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.